Now let us see the terms, eliminate, elimination terms are remaining that we can cover in this class. मागच्या वेळेस आपण काही इल्युमिनेशन टर्म्स बघितल्या होत्या. राहिलेल्या काही इम्पॉर्टन्स टर्म्स लेट अस सी नाव. The one is luminous intensity. Sometimes it is also called as simple candela or candela power. Intensity, we know magnetizing the force, the magnetic field intensity. Similar to that one, this is a luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is the ability or strength of a luminous body like lamp, is the ability or strength to emit luminous flux. Luminous flux means that we have seen, that is a light into a given direction. Luminous intensity म्हणजे काय? How much luminous flux are emitted or radiated in a particular direction. कुठल्या तरी एका डायरेक्शनमध्ये किती ल्युमिनस फ्लक्स पाठवलं जातं, that is called luminous intensity. How much luminous flux is travels or given out in a particular direction, that is the intensity or the strength of what, of luminous body, luminous source like lamp असेल किंवा बल्ब असेल. So these having different luminous intensity, प्रत्येक बल्बची luminous intensity वेगवेगळी असेल. So basically it is defined as the luminous flux radiated or emitted by the light source in a given direction in one solid angle. Now how much angle we have to consider to define the intensity? Intensity define करण्यासाठी किती angle धरायचा? Now we have to consider one solid angle. एका सॉलिड अँगलमध्ये किती ल्युमिनस फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस करतो त्याच्यावरून त्या सोर्सची ल्युमिनस इंटेन्सिटी ठरणार आहे. सो बेसिकली इट इज डिफाईन्ड ॲज द ल्युमिनस फ्लक्स radiated or emitted by the light source in a given direction in one unit or in one or we can say unit solid angle. In case of a sphere, there is a 4 pi steradian is the total angle of a sphere, but here we have to consider only one solid angle. Its unit is candela. Sometimes it is also given as candela power, but nowadays it is considered as a candela. So unit of luminous intensity is candela. One candela is defined as when the light source like lamp or bulb that emits 1 lumens per unit solid angle in all direction. म्हणजे एक बल्ब घेतला किंवा एक लॅम्प घेतला, फॉर कन्सिडर टू बी इट इज अ 1 कॅन्डेला, किंवा वेन इट्स इमिट और रेडिएट्स 1 lumen पर युनिट सॉलिड अँगल. म्हणजे इफ यू कीप द लॅम्प सोर्स ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ द स्पियरमध्ये किती सॉलिड अँगल असेल? 4 pi steradian. त्याच्यामधले एका सॉलिड अँगलमध्ये सपोज दॅट इमिटेड बाय द सोर्स इक्वल टू 1 lumen, at that time the intensity of that bulb or lamp is called 1 candela. 1 candela कुणाला म्हणायचं? असा लॅम्प किंवा लॅम्प सोर्स दॅट प्रोड्युसेस 1 lumens पर युनिट सॉलिड अँगल. म्हणजे 1 युनिटचा सॉलिड अँगल घेतला आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जर ल्युमिनस फ्लक्स इक्वल टू 1 lumen असेल, त्यावेळेस त्या लॅम्पची इंटेन्सिटी असेल 1 candela. इफ ए लाईट सोर्स इमिट्स the 5 lumens, suppose consider a lamp source placed at the center of the sphere and that emits the total lumens, that is 5 lumens into a solid angle, for example b steradian. If you take angle किती घ्यायचा? अँगल घेतलेला इथं b steradian आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फ्लक्स किती आहे? तर 5 lumens. Therefore, we can calculate the luminous intensity of that lamp which is placed at the center of the sphere equal to the total lumens radiated in a given solid angle and divided by that solid angle. Now in this case the total lumens is 5 lumens and angle किती है B, and that is equal to the luminous intensity power of that lamp expressed in candela. Next is the lumens. We know the lumen basically is the unit of luminous flux. Luminous flux is nothing but light. Light's unit है, that is lumen. Lumen is defined as the amount of luminous flux emitted in space through one unit of solid angle by source having an intensity of 1 candela. Lumens कोणाला म्हणायचं? If you take for example one source like lamp or bulb having intensity 1 candela and placed at the center of a sphere, त्यावेळेस suppose that produces the light in a one solid angle and that light is equal to 1 lumen, that luminous flux equal to 1 lumen. जेव्हा एक लॅम्प घेतला त्याची कॅन्डल luminous intensity equal to 1 candle असेल, at that time जी लाईट तयार होणार आहे कशामध्ये? in a 1 unit solid angle, and that is nothing but equal to 1 lumen. 1 candela जर एक सोर्स घेतला, how much it will produce? That is how the total luminous flux produce equal to 1 lumen into the total solid angle of the sphere, that is 4 pi. So 1 lumen into 4 pi is the total lumens produced by a source having intensity of 1 candela. That is explained in this figure. 1 candela intensity of a lamp which is placed at the center of the sphere. Now consider त्या लॅम्पच्या जवळ अँगल किती आहे? 1 स्टेरेडियन. त्याच्यातून जो फ्लक्स रेडिएट होतो तो किती असेल? इक्वल टू 1 lumen. When the lamp intensity is equal to 1 candela, at that time the total luminous flux emitted in a unit solid angle किती असेल? That is equal to 1 lumen in the form of light. Therefore the total lumens given out by a source of 1 candela equal to the total solid angle of a sphere, because the lamp is considered to be placed at the center of the sphere. So total solid angle into power of a light source. Total solid angle of a sphere किती असेल? It is a 4 pi steradian. And power of light source 1 candela. 1 candela is nothing but 1 lumens per unit solid angle, and therefore is equal to 4 pi into 1 candela equal to 12.57 lumens given out by a lamp source having intensity equal to 1 candela. जेव्हा एखाद्या लॅम्प सोर्सची इंटेन्सिटी 1 candela आहे त्यावेळेस the total lumens produced by that lamp equal to 12.57 lumens. And we know 1 lumen equal to 0.0016 watt. The next, illuminance. In some book it is also called as illumination. Basically it is illuminance. That is nothing but degree of illumination. म्हणजे illumination जास्त आहे किंवा कमी आहे हे कसं एक्सप्रेस करणार? By expressing illuminance. So degree of illumination is nothing but illuminance. Basically illumination is the phenomena by which a particular area is illuminated by luminous flux. It is also called as illuminance. When a light falls upon any surface, this phenomena is called illumination. Illumination कुणाला म्हणायचं? जेव्हा luminous flux किंवा lumens किंवा simply we can say light falls on a particular area, that particular area is illuminated. That is called illumination. Illumination is a term describe a measurement of amount of light falling illumination is a term describe a measurement of amount of light falling onto and spreading over a given surface. Now we have to see how to measure the degree of illumination. ते कसं बघायचं? So it is defined as, this illuminance is defined as the luminous flux, that is nothing but number of lumens, that is light, falling on the working surface per unit area. For example, if you take surface having 1 meter onto 1 meter square, that is unit area, त्याच्यावर किती ल्युमिनस फ्लक्स आहे, किती ल्युमेन्स आहे, that will decide the level of illumination, that will decide the illuminance, the degree of illumination. The unit of illuminance is a lux. Lux is the unit of illuminance and it is defined as the luminous flux, that is lumens, the luminous flux falling upon the working surface per unit area. म्हणजे किती प्रमाणात ल्युमेन्स त्या वर्किंग प्लेनवर आहे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द लक्स. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ल्युमेन्स per unit area is nothing but the level of illumination, that is called illuminance, and it is measured in terms of lux. So basically 1 lux equal to 1 lumen per meter square. Now in this case, one lamp source is suspended above the working plane, so it will give out the luminance in the form of lumens, that is the light which fall on the working plane. Now working plane is considered to be, for example, the tabletop surface area which is just above the ground level. So here we have to calculate the total illumination on the working plane produced by the light source. Now this illumination is nothing but the total luminous flux, that is lumens fall on the table surface area. So illuminance equal to the total lumens falling on the working plane divided by the surface area of working plane. 1 lux is defined as the illumination on a working plane when it is illuminated as 1 lumen per meter square. So lux simply equal to 1 lumen on working plane when area equal to 1 meter square. Now here luminous efficiency, first we will see luminous efficiency here. This is also called luminous efficacy. Luminous efficiency also called as luminous efficacy. This is defined as the ratio of the total lumens, that is the light radiated by the light source, for example lamp, to the total electrical input power to that source. Now from the figure we can see this lamp is given out the light in the form of luminous flux, that is lumens, and input is the electrical energy. So when lamp is connected to the electrical supply, so it is fed by electrical energy. So input as electrical energy and output as luminous flux, that is lumens. So input electrical energy, output of lamp luminous flux. So therefore luminous efficiency or luminous efficacy is the total output in terms of luminous flux, the total lumens emitted by the light source to the electrical input power in terms of watts. Unit of efficacy काय असणार आहे? Of course lumens per watt. Luminous efficiency unit आहे lumens आहे, electrical energy unit आहे power watt. So therefore the unit of luminous efficiency or luminous efficacy is lumens per unit luminous per watt. Watt is the input energy and lumens is the output energy. Now here example we can see the luminous efficiency of different light source. Here incandescent filament bulb, it is given 15 to 30 lumens per watt. Generally we can take 16 lumens per watt in case of incandescent filament lamp. Fluorescent tube, it is 60 to 90. For compact fluorescent lamp, that is CFL, 40 to 80 lumens per watt. Light emitting diode, it will vary from 5 to 150 lumens per watt. Halogen lamp 15 to 20, neon lamp 5 to 20, metal halide lamps 70 to 90, mercury vapor lamp 26 to 50, sodium vapor lamp high pressure 90 to 125, sodium vapor lamp low pressure it is equal to 150 lumens per watt.